great. I'm so glad you're so interested in learning about these courses. Yeah, that's Leo. Okay, so more details. So you will have access to productivity course, time management course, neuroplasticity of learning workbook for coaches. So if you coach, you'll have access to that. Gosh, I mean, so many other things. And by the end of this, you will have a clear 9-step framework, because I always follow a 9-step framework so that it's very clear the pathway, you know, just kind of like behind me, the path on what to take, because obviously your journey will be different than my journey. But if we follow these 9-step framework of neuroscience strategies to feel engaged and fulfilled at work, it actually works, guys. So join me. I am adding group coaching. So that'll be once a week. So that'll be part of the membership. And then if you want one-on-one coaching, that'll be additional fee, because, you know, it'll be you and I together. And then there'll be a different other second link. So if you want you'll see as you click enter the course that there's another option to say, the option with the one-on-one coaching. Okay. And then we can do, 2 to 3 a month and then really nail it, right? We got this. Okay, I believe in you. I'm so honored you're checking this out. I hope you join me. Please email me with questions. thebrainfresh@gmail.com. thebrainfresh, all no spaces. thebrainfresh@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm Dr. Mary Rensel. I would love to work with you. What we do is we kind of walk together through this. A lot of it is automated. You can learn, and then we'll get together in our group coaching and process it together, right? And answer all the questions. So let's do this. It's time we understand the brain. I love being kind of like the brain translator, kind of like going to a new culture and you're trying to figure things out. There's so much about neuroscience. The research really supports this 9-step framework. That's where I built it from, is just digging into the research, because that's my favorite place, is just reading about the science and putting it into action. Not just stopping there, but actually putting into action so we can find professional fulfillment, joy, peace of mind. And it's really important that we do, because our risk of burnout is so high in healthcare. It's very, very concerning. So it's really not anything to mess around with. Like a client recently told me, she's like, I don't think this problem's going to go away on its own. So she really felt like she had to put the coaching into place, because she didn't feel like the problem would just solve itself, right? And it won't. We have to put some energy toward it, and that's okay. We will also talk about how to conserve our energy in other places, so that our energy and our focus and our attention is only on what really matters to us, right? You got this, guys. Thanks again. I'm honored you're checking it out. I hope you join me. Enter the course. It'll take your credit card. It's a monthly membership, so it'll keep recurring until you want to move on. And again, reach out with questions, okay? So thebrainfresh@gmail.com. All right, guys.